Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to the SDSU Center for Community Counseling and Engagement, where we offer culturally responsive and relationship-centered care right here in the heart of City Heights.
One of the things that makes us unique, and I would say one of the most unique clinics in San Diego County, is representation. Our supervisors, our faculty, and us as directors, and especially our trainee therapists, represent the communities that we serve. LGBTQ communities, ethnic communities, racial communities. We are here to serve, and we can do it in multiple languages. Spanish, Mandarin, and Arabic are just a few of the languages we speak.
Another important aspect of what we do is affordability. We understand that therapy can often be expensive for couples, families, and individuals. So we offer sliding scale services where sessions range from $15 to $60, and SDSU students can get 6 free sessions.
When clients come to therapy, we think about how the symptoms really make sense in the context of the people in their lives, the cultures that they live in, and really encourage students to explore with clients how it is that they are understanding their problems in the context of their world.
I believe connection with the clients is the essence of the work that we are doing as a therapist, and me trying to connect with the clients, I do my best to be present, to be authentic, and to be honest in the work that I'm doing with my clients.
Somos terapeutas y terapistas en entrenamiento de la CCCE. Algunos de nuestro equipo somos refugiados, inmigrantes e hijas de inmigrantes. Hablamos Spanglish y español de diferentes lugares y estamos profundamente conectados a las culturas y a las comunidades que servimos.
Contamos con entrenamiento especializado en terapia en español y Spanglish para poder ofrecer servicios a individuos, parejas, familias y grupos. Nuestro enfoque es centrado en la cultura, la identidad y las realidades de nuestras comunidades.
If you're interested in scheduling an appointment, you can visit our website at ccce.sdsu.edu, or you can call at 619-594-4918 and follow us on social media at ccce.sdsu on Instagram and Center for Community Counseling and Engagement on Facebook to stay connected. We look forward to hearing from you.